friends, are you a student of Company Secretaries of India? Do you need 100% conceptual clarity in your each and every topic and your entire subject? Do you need excellent writing skill because your paper is subjective one? Do you need a dedicated time slot from your faculty, from the expert, where your all the query will get answered? Do you really need direct interaction with your faculty and your subject expert, where you can ask to any of things on phone, WhatsApp, or through the Google Meet? Do you really want to explore the pattern of the question the Institute of Company Secretaries of India asking and the criteria of evaluating those all things? Yes, if you are looking for these all things, we are here to provide you the entire things with 100% surety that whatever we are saying, we are committed to fulfill those all things. For getting more details, how we are making it possible, why we are doing this miraculous things, click over here. And one more important thing, that please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press our bell icon so that you can get the notification and become a part of CS video classes. So see you soon in our next video of CSS strategy. Till then, take care. Bye bye.